Before starting this project, make sure you unplug the power line. Remove exhaust pipe. Check around the back just to make sure nothing's damaged. And remove the retainer. Remove the cover. And check if anything's
no way to open from the back.
Damage in this model. It looks good.
So it has to be the front.
I see there's a clip here, here, and here. It goes in here. Just pops it out. To remove the cover or the door, just unscrews 2 screws right here. And let me try this out to see if this comes out. The noise is from the back of the machine, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get as close as possible to see what's on the other side. I think this is the one because the wheel is not even. I don't want to remove the barrel, but I'm just going to move to the front, enough room for me to see the wheels. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the front to the back. So once I receive a new part, it's going to be much easier to replace it by putting it right in front of the dryer. So it's going to look like this. This is the one that makes noise. This one looks good. It's forward. This one's bad. The front is number 10 and the back is number 14 to hold it. This is just a temporary fix.